In this video, we're going to talk about motion refinement. I have a character. I'd like to animate this guy with a motion in a twin. Create a motion twin. Okay. Now I have two keyframes. And you should see motion paths with a bunch of dots. All dots indicate frames. Okay. I'm gonna move the second keyframe to the right so that you can make the motion a little slower, and add more frames with another keyframe. And then I do have 1, 2, 3, 4 keyframes. Okay, moving the guys and then place the outside of this stage. And then select the first keyframe, right click and select the refine and motion twin. And then you will see this motion editor in a window. The motion editor lets you add different presets or create a custom ease. Adding ease to a twin property is an easy way to emulate real-world behaviors of objects. If you like to add some preset or custom ease, you need to double-click on each keyframe to open motion editor, and then you can select any of those presets, or you can customize the ease that you like to apply on the twin properties. You may also want to add some motion blur effect to mimic real world filters. You can adjust the amount of blurriness. Since this guy is moving the horizontal direction, we should increase the amount of blurriness on the x-axis. Okay, preview. Okay, you must see that motion blur that we just created for this guy. Yeah, we should see that motion blur only when this guy moves fast.